Welcome everybody to this new playlist of Kotlin chat app series that I'm going to do, and this app is going to be really good because this app is going to follow all the new industry level uh, protocols such as uh, MVVM architecture, Kotlin Coroutines, Firebase storage, navigation component, and FCM for notifications. And yeah, I think the tutorial before this you can watch the demonstration of this app, but here also you can see that it has notification, it has online status, it has update profile, and it has much more. And yeah, I will put the link to this GitHub repository in my in the description of this video. So without wasting a further ado, let's get right into it. And obviously I'm not going to create the layouts in front of you because that's a lot of work, but I can assure you that this is my design that I have created by my own. So let's just get right into it. Okay, we can name our project my chat, and yeah, let's just wait for our project to be built. So first and foremost, what we will do is we will set up our Gradle, and here obviously we will paste some dependencies. This retrofit is for the notifications, so we will come back to it at a very later stage of our project. And obviously we need glide for loading images, we need Firebase authentication, Firestore, view model. I'm sure if you are making an app of this level, or if you are attempting, then I'm sure that you are familiar with uh, all these concepts, but obviously I might touch upon these as we are making it. Also, in the plugin we will add this. So this is for obviously Firebase, and yeah, this is for the navigation arcs for when we send the parameters or values to one fragment, from one fragment to another fragment. Okay, so let's just go to our other the project module of Gradle and replace this. So this is also for the navigation arcs that I was telling you, that from one activity to another activity, whenever there is a click we want to send something, then we need that. And Google GMS is for the Firebase. Okay, so now this is done, we will just sync our project. And what we will do is we will go, while this is syncing, we will just go here to Firebase console, and here what I will do is I will create a new project. I think I have to delete some in order to, because if you are using the free version, then you would have to, like you might have a limit to create the projects here. Okay, so what I'll just do is I'll just name this as my chat app, continue, and the project is being created. Okay, so here we are, and obviously it's an Android app, so what I'll just do is I'll just go to my project, and yeah, this is the package name, so I'll just copy paste it, and we need this. So what I'll just do is I'll go here and Gradle, click on search. mm, so this is some kind of certificate key that we need to get. Oh, we have to find the signing report actually. Okay, I think it's somewhere, yeah, here. Just type signing report and this will give us a key. Here it is, and we will copy this and paste this here and register the app. Okay, now we will download this JSON file and we will add this into our project in the app folder. So let's just go to our project wherever that is stored. Yeah, my chat, app folder, and there we are. And with this our Firebase is ready to go. And obviously since I have added these dependencies, so we can skip this step. Now here we will come to the authentication, because obviously we are going to sign in our users and there are different methods that we can, you know, choose from, but we are just simply going to use email and password. And also we are going to use Firestore, so let's just create a database and start in test mode. Test mode is not recommended, but when for the tutorial purposes it's just that the access is open to anybody. They can like add and like, you know, use the database. So this is done. Now let's just go also here on storage, because we need this, and we will get started, like start in test mode. Okay, I think this is it for the Firestore work. And what I'll just do is I'll just come back in here and get to the layouts. So the layouts are going to be I'm going to paste all the layouts at once and then I can explain. And here what I'll just simply do is on the activity main, obviously we are going to create this, so let's just wait. And in drawables we need some resources, so I'm just going to go to the drawables. Okay, the drawables are here. Okay, and we need some animations animations are here, so we'll just paste that. And we need to add some colors. So we'll just go and here in the strings, obviously this is good, my chat, and we will come here in res and Android resource directory, and we'll just choose the type navigation and name it navgraph. I'm not sure if the file has been generated or not, so let's just close this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what we will do is, obviously I've shown you the layout and how it's going to work, so let's just go to our manifest, because we want the main activity to come later, right? So we don't want the main activity to appear first whenever the app launches. We will create two activities. Sign in an activity, and sign up activity. Okay, and here what we have to do is bring this intent filter and put it in here. Okay, so maybe my intent filter did not get copied. Okay, so we are all set for this, and yeah, we have to create the navigation graph, then I will end this tutorial. Okay, so in terms of navigation graph, we will create some of the fragments, so we can just create new packages. Package fragments, it's going to be home fragment, chat fragment, Okay, setting fragment and chat from home fragment. Okay, we have got this, and obviously this 2 we have to delete. Home to setting to. Okay, yeah, we have to get rid of this, and we'll go to our sign in activity, and obviously here we have to sign in. Sign up. Let's clean this a bit. And here it's going to be fragment setting. Okay, great. We'll do the same drill. Home fragment, because I have copied the layouts, so I have to perform these. And after this we will just work on our navigation graph, and I think we will be done for this tutorial. Oh, okay. I have seen so many apps on the YouTube, the chat apps, but some of them are on Java, and some of them are using really like difficult techniques. Okay, so we'll just go to navigation graph, and obviously we know that our home fragment, it's our first fragment that we want to open. And from home fragment we want to be able to go to chat fragment. Okay, and from home fragment we want to go to our setting fragment. Okay, and if we click back, then we have to come back to our home fragment from setting fragment, and from chat fragment we have to go back to our home fragment. And we have another fragment, chat from home fragment, because this is another one, and we come back here. So this is our navigation graph, and if I can click here, then it will arrange this. Okay, good. So our sign in activity needs to have some code, because if we run the app, then yeah, we have to like click on like sign in or go to sign up activity, but I'm sure there are going to be other errors as well, because we have not created these view models and everything. So what I'll just do is I'll just create these packages, package mvvm and model, and one package for notifications and one package for adapters. So this is going to have chat app view model, chat list repository, message repository, and users repository. So we have this. Okay, for model we have to create, like, we will create messages. These are data classes, so obviously we can come to it later. Recent chats and users. And while we are at it, we have to add some of the permissions for notifications and internet. So going back to sign in activity, we have to, like, this is the first activity that is going to be launched. So what we will do is, we want to, like, work on this activity because our main work is going to be on this. So what we will do is, in the next tutorial we will register the user and log in with the user. Okay, so thank you for watching this one. Hope to see you in the next one.